Today we discuss about the new problem belongs to AA similarity criteria. The 14th problem we take the sides AB, AC and median AD of triangle ABC are respectively proportional to sides PQ, PR and median PM of another triangle PQR. We have to show that triangle ABC and PQR are similar. We take first draw a triangle ABC and triangle PQR. In this triangle ABC and PQR, the AB and PQ corresponding sides, AC and PR are corresponding sides, AD is the median and PM is the median. These are the corresponding sides. The sides ratio AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR is equal to AD by PQ, PM. This is the data. In a triangle ABC, AB, AC and AD is proportional to PQ, PR and PM of triangle PQR. Then we have to prove that. To prove the triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. In the data, AD is the median and PM is the median. Means D and M are the midpoints of BC and QR. Therefore, BD is equal to DC. BD is equal to DC and QM is equal to MR because D is the midpoint and EM is the midpoint of QR. So, this is the data, this is the to prove. In this given data, we have to prove that ABC and PQR are similar. It is very complicated because in this triangle ABC and PQR, the three sides are not proportional. Therefore, AB is proportional to PQ and AC is proportional to PR. The two sides are proportional. But the third side is not proportional, means BC and QR is not proportional. So we have to prove it is BC is proportional to QR or any one of the angle is corresponding to other angle equal. The corresponding angles are one of the corresponding angle of A or one of the corresponding angle of ABC and one of the corresponding angle of PQR are equal. We have to prove any one of the corresponding angles are equal. Then we try to show that the triangle, these two triangles are similar. Therefore, this is when we prove this problem, we need construction to solve the problem. Therefore, we draw construction. Draw AD is equal to DE, means extend DE is equal to E, means AD is equal to DE, and join BE and C. Therefore, produce PM to N and join QN and NR. Draw AD is equal to DE and PM is equal to MN, PM is equal to MN, and join BECE and QN and NR. Okay. Data AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR is equal to AD by PM. These two are proportional to this triangle. Therefore, and also D and M are the midpoint of BC and QR respectively. BD is equal to DC and QM is equal to MR. This is the data. To prove triangle ABC and PQR are similar. We have to prove. Construction. Draw AD is equal to DE, PM is equal to MN, and join BE, CE, QN and NR. This is the construction. Next one, proof. First, we observe that in these two quadrilaterals, ABEC and PQNR, these two quadrilaterals, the diagonals bisect each other. Means AD is equal to DE by construction and BD is equal to DC by data. When the diagonals, two diagonals bisect each other, this is a parallelogram. Therefore, ABC is a parallelogram. Similarly, PQNR is also parallelogram because the diagonals bisect each other. PM is equal to MN by construction, QM is equal to MR by data. Therefore, these two quadrilaterals are parallelograms. When the two parallelograms, the opposite angle, opposite sides are equal. Therefore, AB is equal to CE, BE is equal to AC. And PQ is equal to NR, QN is equal to PR. Therefore, these two are the parallelograms. Therefore, opposite sides are equal. AB is equal to CE and ABC is equal to BE. AB is equal to CE, BE is equal to AC. And PQ is equal to NR, QN is equal to PR. PQ is equal to NR and QN is equal to PR. By taking data, we have to prove that the data says AB by PQ, AC by PR and AD by PM. Write it as it is. We have already proved the value, substitute the value of AC and PR in the data, we get AC is equal to BE and QN is equal to PR. Substitute AC is equal to BE, QN is equal to PR, QN is equal to PR is equal to QN. By substituting this, we get AB by PQ, BE by QN is equal to AD by PM. Because we substitute the value of AC is BE, the value of PR is QN. Then we get this. In this data, we know that AB by PQ and BE by QN, BE by QN and AD by PM. AD by PM. AD by PM. We substitute 2 AD, 2 by 2. Multiply 2 and divide by 2, we get 2 AD by 2 PM. 2 AD means AE. 2 times AD means the bisect each other, diagonally bisect each other. Therefore, AD is equal to DE. Therefore, 2 times AD is equal to AE. 2 times PM is equal to PN. Therefore, 2 times AD is equal to AE, 2 times PM is equal to PN. Therefore, the three sides AB, BE and AE of triangle ABE is equal to or proportional to the three corresponding sides PQ, QN and PN of another triangle PQN. Therefore, these two triangles are said to be similar. Therefore, triangle ABE is similar to triangle PQN. We have to write by converse of the SSS similarity criterion. The three sides. When the three sides ratio are equal, then it is a similarity. Similar. The two triangles must be similar. Next, similarly, these two, the another pairs also equal because axiom 1, the things which are equal to same thing are equal to one another. By using same theorem, therefore, these two triangles also similar. The triangle similar, the corresponding angles must be equal. In the ABE and PQN, the corresponding angles BAE is equal to QPN, or BAD. BAE is equal to QPN or QPM. BAE is equal to BAE or BAD is equal to QPM. And also in the ACE triangle, in these two triangle, CAE is equal to RPN. BAE is equal to QPM, CAE is equal to RPN. This angle is corresponding to this angle is corresponding to this. Therefore, by adding LHS and RHS, we get CAE plus BAE is equal to RPN plus QPM. CAE plus BAE we get angle A. Angle A is equal to angle P. RPN plus QPM is equal to angle P. Therefore, the corresponding angles are equal, means angle A is equal to angle P. This is equation 1. This is equation 3. Next, already by data, AB by PQ and AC by PR. AB by PQ and AC by PR. This is a data. Angle A is equal to angle P, already proved. In this case, in the triangle ABC and PQR, the one of the corresponding angles are equal. The two sides of one triangle are proportional to the two sides of other triangle. Therefore, by SAS similarity criterion, these two triangles are said to be similar.